Today's Porsche is a 1960 356B Roadster, single grille Roadster, just taken on trade from a very good friend and client in Virginia. Totally restored. A few Outlaw specification upgrades here and there. One of those cars that I personally like more than the 50s Speedsters because they're far more usable and have roll-up windows. But let's take it for a ride.
All right, well, we have already warmed this up, and we know it starts, we know it idles. We'll warm it up. We don't have to do that, bring a trailer, I gotta touch everything and show you that the car is cold, because personally it's a pet peeve of mine. Who gives a damn? It's supposed to be sold as a proper car that starts properly. So, we'll be back to you as soon as it warms up a little bit and show you how great it is at operating temperatures, and worry about the starting tomorrow morning since we know it started this morning. Very narrow road. It's really cool because fourth gear isn't quite an overdrive, but it'll allow you to cruise at 80, 90 miles per hour without an issue. One of the things that some 356s lack. Gearbox is great. It's just a really, really, really nice, lovely 356 Outlaw. Goes really well. All right, clear road again. By the way, the trainer is working.
A little more room between you and the steering wheel?
Judging everything by this, and this is not a small steering wheel. Like Porsche punch buggy. dialed in from restoration. We're going to share the road. Don't worry, guys. We're good. Seriously, New York. I don't know if I should say that. Anyway, my compatriot here, the Bearded Wonder, is going to drop me off for a well-needed lunch appointment. And what can I tell you? She's really, really cool.
All right.
Alrighty, well, I'm going into lunch, and the Bearded Wonder is going to drive this puppy back to the shop and take it from here.